All right, guys, we got a 2019 Chevy Camaro 6.2 liter SS. Got some really nice wheels on it. What we got done on it for you, it's got long tube headers there and there, high flow cats there and there. Then it's got a custom 3-inch system with a aftermarket X pipe right there, 3-inch all the way back. And what we did is we did a rear muffler delete, 2.5-inch there and there into, because he wanted it loud, so we made it a little bit smaller for it to be louder. Into quad tips, blue flame, right there and right there, as you guys can see. There's the stock muffler that we took off, massive muffler, right there. That's what it looks like after. It's got a tune on it too. So he already deleted these two. Those baffles, he deleted them. So you don't need to put them on. But if he didn't have a tune on it, we would have zip tied them away. So they weren't even plugged in. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Give me gas. Oh my God. Woo. Again. There's sound decibels. Again. It hit 122 earlier. That sounds so mean. That sounds so sick. Man, you can hear it. It's alive. Let you guys hear on the inside.